Okay. Hi. Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm clearly audible. Uh, now, I am Mayank Singhal. I shall be officiating as the chairman for the Niti Aayog for this session on Sunday. Okay. So, throughout this session, I'll be taking your doubts. I'll be explaining the rules and procedures with respect to everything. Okay. Whatever will happen in the committee on Sunday, we can address that. Okay. And after this meeting, I will open your WhatsApp lobbying group so that you can utilize it for your lobbying purposes. Okay. Now, before I begin, do I have any kinds of doubts? I can address all kinds of doubts. So you guys can use the option of raise hand to ask any queries. किसी को कुछ भी पूछना हो तो please raise your hand so that I can recognize you and then you may speak up. कुछ भी पूछ रहे हो तो feel very free. Anyone, like any general doubt or anything pertaining to the committee, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा हो, कुछ भी. Mihika, you have something to say.
Yes, sir, I still didn't understand the cheat system.
चिट्स का भी फोकस मत करो, चिट्स का मैं समझा दूंगा, ठीक है.
Okay.
अभी उसका मैं एंड में पूरा समझाऊंगा, उसको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है. Anyone else that is having any kind of doubts? ठीक है. Seeing none, so let me begin. First and foremost, I'll be telling you about what essentially is Niti Aayog, ठीक है. उसके बाद we'll be talking about कि हाँ on Sunday what procedure will we be following with respect to the Niti Aayog, ठीक है. सो देखो, जब इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस मिली, ठीक है, आई होप एवरीवन इज कन्वर्सेंट इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी, ठीक है. आई विल बी स्विचिंग इन इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी थ्रू आउट दिस सेशन. तो इन केस एनीवन इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, so please feel very free to raise your hand or write that down in the chat box. Okay. So when India got independence in 1947, उसके बाद the governments which came into power, they formulated various strategies, ठीक है. So we developed something which we call as the planning commission, ठीक है. अब उस प्लानिंग कमीशन का काम क्या था, क्योंकि देखो, जो गवर्नमेंट्स का टेन्योर होता है, जो सेंट्रल लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट बनती है, फिर स्टेट लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट बनती है, उसका टेन्योर होता है 5 years, ठीक है. सो विद इन दोज 5 years, अब गवर्नमेंट क्या क्या प्लान ऑफ एक्शन अडॉप्ट करेगी, गवर्नमेंट क्या क्या स्कीम्स लेकर आएगी, उसका काम उन्होंने दिया नीति आयोग को, ठीक है. सो सॉरी, प्लानिंग कमीशन को. ओके. नाउ दैट प्लानिंग कमीशन केम अप विद वेरियस 5 year plans, ठीक है. तो अगर आप कहीं पे पढ़ते हो तो 5 year प्लान, फर्स्ट 5 year प्लान, सेकंड 5 year प्लान, थर्ड 5 year प्लान, ठीक है. This is the thing with respect to the planning commission. Now, in 2014 when the India government was formed, ठीक है, उसके बाद जो लास्ट 5 year प्लान था, ठीक है, वो जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, तब प्लानिंग कमीशन डिसॉल्व करके उसकी जगह we came up with a body which we call as the नीति आयोग, ठीक है, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंडिया. Okay. Now, अब उस नीति आयोग का काम 5 year प्लान की तरह नहीं चलता, उसका लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान चलता है, ठीक है. वो अलग अलग स्कीम्स लेकर आती है, ठीक है. एंड नीति आयोग में क्या होता है, जो अलग अलग स्टेट्स के चीफ मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं और जो अलग अलग ब्यूरोक्रेट्स वगैरह होते हैं, दे टेक पार्ट so as to have an active discussion about what to do, ठीक है. So this is about the नीति आयोग. किसी को कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, प्लीज फील फ्री टू रेज योर हैंड एंड आस्क इट राइट, ठीक है. इवन बिटवीन अगर मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ और आपको कुछ पूछना हो, हाथ उठा देना, नहीं तो चैट में लिख देना, आई विल एड्रेस योर डाउट्स, ठीक है. एंड लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक दिस एन इंटरैक्टिव सेशन, ठीक है, ताकि सबके लिए एक लर्निंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग हो जाए. नाउ अब मैं बात करता हूँ कि संडे को व्हेन वी मीट, what procedures will we be following, what will be the conduct, and etc etc. तो पहले आई विल टेल यू द सर्टेन ग्राउंड रूल्स. वो ग्राउंड रूल्स ऐसे हैं जो कि सबको फॉलो करने हैं, ठीक है. एज इन उनसे कोई डाइवर्जन नहीं हो सकता, यू कैन नॉट डू अवे विद दोस ग्राउंड रूल्स। तो पहला ग्राउंड रूल ये है कि यहाँ पर बोथ इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी आर एक्सेप्टेबल। ओके, सो यू कैन स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, यू कैन स्पीक इन हिंदी, आई डोंट रियली हैव एनी इश्यूज। ठीक है, दैट इज वन। नंबर टू, जो आपका अटायर रहेगा, मतलब यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज प्रेफरेबल दैट यू टर्न योर वीडियोस ऑन, अभी किसी ने नहीं कर रखे हैं, नो मैटर। तो जब आपका अटायर रहेगा, we'll prefer it to be Indian formals। ठीक है, अगेन इंडियन कमिटी फील्स। ओके, थर्ड, अब देखो, आई बिलीव आपका, आई थिंक कल एक सेशन हुआ होगा जो कि एस्पिरेंट इंडिया इनिशिएटिव से आदर्श ने कंडक्ट किया था। ठीक है, उसमें अगर आप लोगों ने अटेंड किया हो तो ही मस्ट हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स। ठीक है, मैं उन्हीं लाइंस पर कंटिन्यू करता हुआ आपको नीति आयोग के रूल्स बताऊंगा जो कि थोड़े थोड़े डिफरेंट होंगे। ठीक है, लाइन सेम रहेंगी, मतलब जो भी आपको अगर ब्रीफिंग मिली हो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही रहेगा, बट थोड़ा डिफरेंट, क्योंकि अगेन अ कमिटी विच कम्स अंडर द यूनाइटेड नेशंस। नेक्स्ट, देखो याद रखना, यहाँ पर यू आर नॉट डेलीगेट्स। ठीक है, आदर्श ने भी बताया होगा, डेलीगेट वो होता है जो कि एक कंट्री को या फिर किसी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा होता है। ठीक है, यहाँ पर यू आर नॉट रिप्रेजेंटिंग एनीवन, यू आर योरसेल्फ। आपको कोई ना कोई पोर्टफोलियो अलॉट हुआ होगा। ठीक है, आपको कोई ना कोई से चीफ मिनिस्टर अलॉट हुआ होगा, सो यू आर दैट पर्सन, यू आर नॉट अ डेलीगेट। तो यहाँ पर आप लोग वो टर्मिनोलॉजी ना यूज करें, द डेलीगेट ऑफ ये वो। ठीक है, and this means कि you don't have to talk in third person over here, you have straight away to talk in the first person। ठीक है, जैसे नॉर्मली बात करते हो अभी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, वैसे ही वो जो फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज होती है, द डेलीगेट ऑफ दिस कंट्री वुड लाइक टू से, वो सब अवॉइड करनी है। नॉर्मल जैसे आप अपनी डेली लाइफ में बात करते हो, बस ये ध्यान रखना कि आप वो इंडिविजुअल हो जो आपको अलॉट हुआ है। ठीक है, डू आई हैव एनी डाउट्स अप टिल नाउ? कुछ पूछना है किसी को? नथिंग, चलो ठीक है। ओके, सो रूल्स की बात कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, सो जब संडे को मिलेंगे तब सबसे पहला काम व्हाट वील डू इज द रोल कॉल। ओके, सो रोल कॉल में योर नेम्स विल बी कॉल्ड आउट। जैसे जैसे आपका नाम पुकारा जाएगा, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ एंड से प्रेजेंट। यहाँ पर देर इज नो कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंट एंड वोटिंग। ठीक है, ओनली प्रेजेंट विल डू, नो वरीज अबाउट दैट। ठीक है, दैट ओनली प्रेजेंट, दैट्स ओके, हमें बस आपकी प्रेजेंस चाहिए यहाँ पे। ठीक है, now as and when we are done with the roll call, we will begin with something which we'll call as opening statements या फिर opening remarks, कुछ भी कह लो। ठीक है, now let me continue from the UN committee procedure। You must have been told about the something which we call as the GSL, the General Speakers List। यहाँ पर कोई GSL वगैरह नहीं है। ठीक है, हाँ आप ये कह सकते हो कि उसी GSL को यहाँ पर वी कॉल एज ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स या फिर ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स। ठीक है, अब उसका बेसिक मतलब क्या होता है? इन दैट ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट या ओपनिंग रिमार्क आप अपना एक स्टांस प्रेजेंट करते हो ऑन द एजेंडा एट हैंड, दैट व्हाट डू यू बिलीव ऑन द एजेंडा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑन द एजेंडा, आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है उस एजेंडा के ऊपर। ठीक है, you just present that। ठीक है, and for the opening statements I'll be granting you about 90 seconds कि आप 90 seconds तक अपनी speech दो। ठीक है, सबको बताओ कि हाँ what do you think on the agenda, what does your party think, what has your state done with respect to the same। ठीक है, so you can go ahead with that। Now the difference between the GSL and the opening statement lies that GSLs are never exhaustive। GSL कभी खत्म नहीं होती, ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट खत्म होती है। कैसे? जीएसएल्स में क्या होता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल आपके 3-4 स्पीकर्स हुए जीएसएल में, पोस्ट जीएसएल 3-4 स्पीकर्स होते ही वी प्रोसीड with the informal sessions, the moderated caucuses and unmoderated caucuses, ठीक है, जो UN committees में होती हैं. All right. So again at the same time, यहाँ पर वो नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर we will be wrapping up with the opening statements एक बार में, ठीक है. And moreover, it is recommended that everyone speaks up in the opening statement. That सबका एक बार opinion clear हो जाए that what does he or she believe on the particular sub agenda, on the particular agenda at hand. ठीक है. Do I have any questions up till now? किसी को कुछ भी पूछना है? Anything which is not clear?
Hey, good evening, sir. So I just wanted to know about like what would be a brief overview of the opening speech, like how to write it down, what to include into it.
See, देखो, जैसे your sub agenda is the center state relations in the time of COVID, ठीक है?
Yeah.
मैं basic sub agenda आपका agenda ले रहा हूँ. So let's assume you are the chief minister of X state, ठीक है? I'm not specifying anyone. Now your opening statement shall contain, देखो, since you are the chief minister, number one, you will be belonging to a particular party, okay? Because without a particular party, you will not be a chief minister. So you will have to specify that as to what has been done from your party's end in respect of this. Number one. Number two, what has your state done as the chief minister? What have you done? Okay, what policies have you undertaken? Number three, how do you require help from the center? Okay, that's something you have to include. So an overall gist of the agenda you have to state.
And like giving in my opinion that whether they have improved or they have deteriorated in these COVID-19 times. Right?
Perfectly fine.
Okay. So like I have to include what the parties, what has been done from the parties end also.
Parties and states, and then giving an opinion as to whether center state relations, what COVID has impacted over the same, or something on these lines.
All right. Thank you. And it would be 90 seconds.
Yeah, I'm giving you 90 seconds. We have ample time. I'm giving you 90 seconds. Okay. Any more questions? Will POIs be raised? हाँ, अभी आ रहा हूँ. I'm coming to POIs. ठीक है? Clear है? अभी तक सब clear है? आगे चलते हैं. So जब एक इंसान की ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट खत्म होगी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने एक ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट दी अपनी 90 सेकेंड्स तक. नाउ अब जैसे हमारी कमेटी में अगर 20 लोग हैं, देयर आर 20 पीपल इन द कमेटी. सो एक्सेप्ट फॉर द एग्जीक्यूटिव बोर्ड, उनको तो छोड़ दो. जो रेस्ट 19 लोग हैं, उन्होंने आपकी स्पीच सुनी. नाउ दोज 19 पीपल कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस टू यू, एंड दोज क्वेश्चंस आर कॉल्ड एज पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. Okay, so on the basis of your speech, the people who are willing to ask questions to you, okay, they can ask questions. The executive board will recognize one of them, and on the basis of your speech, he or she will ask questions to you. Okay. A question, a time, and you will answer the same. Okay. So that is called as a point of information, a question which you ask on the basis of the speech made. Okay. Do I have any questions? कुछ पूछना है किसी को? Anything which is not clear up till now?
Sir, can you please explain that part from point of information and relating to executive board?
Okay. So I just said that, for example, there are 20 people in the committee. One of them delivers a speech. Keep the executive board aside. Okay. The 19 people, the participants who have listened to your speech, they can ask questions based upon your speech. Okay. So the executive board will ask that, okay, who all want to ask points of information to this person? Say about 5-6 of them raise their hands. Okay. So the executive board will recognize one of them, and he or she will ask question, and then the person will answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is called the point of information. You seek information on the basis of the speech. ठीक है? Do I have any questions? किसी को कुछ भी पूछना है?
So I have a question
Please go ahead.
about the present and voting thing. So we only have present over here, right? So
Right.
in that, so like I didn't understand the voting wala concept. Like uske andar, what do we do?
देखो, so basically we, when it comes to present and voting in the UN committees, okay, in every UN committee, right? For the purposes of documenting down whatever has been discussed, you come up with something which we call as resolutions. Okay,
Okay.
so when the people who have stated present and voting in the roll call, okay, they have to say either a yes or a no, that either they are in favor or they are against.
Okay.
Okay. On the other hand, the people who say just present, okay, they have an option of abstention.
Okay.
कि उनको yes भी नहीं करना, उनको no भी नहीं करना. They pull away themselves.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है. But here that concept does not apply. We are not forming any kind of resolutions over here. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. ठीक है. This thing is clear. We have the opening statements first and foremost, and post that we will entertain questions. Okay. This is the first thing. Am I clear up till now? Any questions? Anyone? चलो ठीक है. None. आगे चलते हैं. After the opening statements, we will be moving into discussion sessions. ठीक है. जैसे आपको UN committees में you have your moderated caucuses. ठीक है. Moderated caucus में क्या होता है? You establish a sub agenda. A sub agenda is something which is within the parlance of the main agenda. ठीक है. आपके पास एक मेन एजेंडा है जिसको आप कहते हो A to Z. नाउ जब आप उस मेन एजेंडा को ब्रेक करते हो A B C D E में, ठीक है, that's something which we take up in moderated caucuses in the UN committees. ठीक है. यहाँ पर the terminology changes, the essence remains the same. Okay, so you have something which we call as discussion sessions. Okay, so in those discussion sessions, we essentially discuss sub agendas. Okay, now I'm giving you certain tasks which you have to do prior to the committee. ठीक है. I will be opening the lobbying group right after this session. ठीक है. So जो भी आपका जो lobbying group है WhatsApp वाला, उसमें आप लोग डिस्कस करना शुरू करो कि what sub agendas do you want to take. Okay. In the discussion. ठीक है. And decide about 4 to 5 sub agendas. All right. This is your task. कि आप लोग कमिटी से पहले डिसाइड कर लो कि व्हाट सब एजेंडास डू यू वांट टू टेक अप इन द डिस्कशन. ठीक है. इससे क्या होगा? दो बेनिफिट्स होंगे. नंबर वन, अब जैसे आज वेंसडे है, ठीक है, वी हैव द कमिटी ऑन संडे. आप से अबाउट फ्राइडे तक डिसाइड कर लेते हो कि हमें ये 4-5 सब एजेंडा डिस्कस करने हैं. तो यू हैव द फ्राइडे, यू हैव सैटरडे टू फॉर्मुलेट योर स्पीचेस based on those sub agendas. Okay, आपके पास रिसर्च के लिए टाइम मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. दूसरी बात, उस दिन कमिटी में हम टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे कि आपको मैं लॉबिंग का टाइम दे रहा हूँ एंड देन यू आर डिस्कसिंग कि हाँ हमें क्या डिस्कस करना है. ठीक है. सो एक दिन की कमिटी है, इट्स बेटर दैट यू डिसाइड द सब एजेंडास प्रायर टू इट. ठीक है. We'll have discussion sessions and based upon that we'll move forward. So what happens in the discussion session that I have made clear? Okay, you take up sub agendas for discussion. Now I'll be granting you a time period of about 60 seconds in one particular discussion session to make your speech. All right, so whatever you want to speak, you can speak up in that 60 seconds. So let's establish the basic difference between an opening statement and a discussion session over here. That the opening statement is a general overview of the whole agenda. In discussion sessions, you move into specifics. आपके पास एक सब एजेंडा होता है, आप सिर्फ उस पर बात करते हो. ठीक है. Again, in the discussion sessions itself, we will be having optional points of information. आपको अगर पॉइंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन रखना है हर स्पीच के बाद, आप रख लो. आपको नहीं रखना, मत रखो. ठीक है. बट आप लोग ये चीज भी ग्रुप में डिस्कस कर लेना कि कौन से सब एजेंडा में यू वांट टू कीप वर्बल पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कौन से सब एजेंडा में यू डू नॉट वांट टू कीप दिस. ठीक है, तो ये आप डिस्कस कर लेना। ठीक है, am I clear with both the opening statement and the discussion session? Any questions? किसी को कुछ भी पूछना हो? I am open to questions right now.
So you
So,
said that we can keep point of information in the discussion session as well. So like it would be optional for us to know we can decide after which speech we want to ask or we don't want to ask, right?
No. The decision has to be with respect to a particular session. ठीक है, that okay, in this particular session we will be having questions after every speech, and in this session we would not be having any kinds of questions. ठीक है, that would not be dependent on the speech कि हाँ इस speech पे पूछना है, इस पे नहीं पूछना. ठीक है. Anyone else?
the points of information for the UN committees and the Indian committees, they are the same, right?
More or less.
Okay.
A question based upon your speech.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Do I have any more doubts or difficulties right now? अब देखो, this cycle goes on. You have the opening statements एक बार में, opening statement एक बार में खत्म. ठीक है, उसके बाद you have one discussion session, एक वो खत्म होता है, फिर you have another discussion session, फिर another. ठीक है, this is how we go. And in between, if you feel कि you do not have an agreement, you do not have a consensus on one sub agenda कि आपको क्या करना है आगे, तब you can go for a lobbying session. ठीक है, so you can ask for a lobbying session that okay, we want a lobbying session, आप मुझे बता दो कितने टाइम का चाहिए, I'll grant it to you. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा डिफरेंस और एस्टैब्लिश करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. जो आपके यूएन कमिटीज में मॉडरेटेड कॉकस होते हैं या फिर अनमॉड्स वगैरह सब जो भी होते हैं ना, इन सब में आप एक अपर टाइम लिमिट भी फिक्स करते हो दैट आई वुड लाइक टू रेज अ मॉडरेटेड कॉकस ऑन दिस टॉपिक फॉर इंडिविजुअल स्पीकर्स टाइम 60 seconds एंड टोटल टाइम बीइंग 30 minutes. ठीक है, यहाँ पर we will not be having any kind of total time. So if in one discussion session everyone wants to speak up, we will take everyone. ठीक है, दूसरी बात, यहाँ पर हम लोग वो मोशन वाला प्रोसीजर नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, कि कोई एक मोशन उठाओ फिर हम वोटिंग कराएंगे उसमें. ठीक है, बहुत टाइम टेकिंग हो जाता है. व्हाट विल डू, आप लोग पहले से सब एजेंडा डिसाइड कर लोगे. जैसे ही ओपनिंग स्टेटमेंट्स खत्म होती हैं, मैं आपसे बहुत इनफॉर्मली पूछूंगा कि आप लोगों ने डिसाइड किया हुआ है सब एजेंडा. आप लोग बताओगे हाँ या नहीं. हाँ तो बता देना क्या है, नहीं तो बता देना कि ठीक है लॉबिंग चाहिए 15 मिनट के लिए, हम 15 मिनट लॉबिंग करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, वो आप लोगों की मर्जी है. ठीक है, am I clear with everything right now? Any questions? Now I'll be telling you what is a lobbying session. Again, a lobbying session is nothing but when the executive board stays on mute. ठीक है, executive board are silent observers and you talk amongst yourselves with respect to whatever you want to discuss next in committee. ठीक है, so that does not go on record. आप लोग आपस में लॉबी करते हो, आप अपनी बात दूसरों को बताते हो, दूसरों की बात सुनते हो, and then you form a common consensus. This is with respect to the lobbying session. Do I have any questions right now? Anyone? Nothing. ठीक है. So this cycle goes on. Opening statement DS1, DS2, DS3, DS4, whatever. ठीक है. And if we are left with time, then we will go for a documentation. Documentation पर आप लोग ज़्यादा focus मत करना. ठीक है. That shall remain optional. ठीक है. उसमें हमें ज़रूरी नहीं है डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो. अगर टाइम बचता है तो वी विल हैव डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, और क्या डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करनी है वो हम लोग देख लेंगे. ठीक है. Any questions till now?
So I have a question. The lobbying session. So what kind of sessions will they be like? There'll be like informal session. We can discuss anything about the agenda.
No. See, you basically discuss what to discuss next. Okay. Say example, you do not have a consensus कि हाँ हमें अगले discussion session में क्या agenda लेना है. So you portray your idea in front of others. The others put forward their ideas, and then you form a common ground कि चलो पहले ये कर लेते हैं, फिर ये कर लेते हैं.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक है.
Sir, like sub agendas में what could we decide? जैसे कोई vaccination policies or
Now,
talking about
I've
oxygen.
given you the background guide already. Read through it. आपको बहुत सारे bifurcations मिल जाएंगे.
Okay, the one PDF which was sent. Oh, we have to talk about that. Right?
So background guide का basic purpose होता है to give you a background of the agenda. Okay. So that serves as a base for your research. Read through it and then go build on it. ठीक है? So read through it and then formulate the sub agendas with due discussion. So सब लोग participate करना WhatsApp group के discussion में so that it's fruitful. ठीक है? This is with respect to the main rules of procedure. अब जो subsidiary rules है वो बता देता हूँ आपको. ठीक है? दो है. नंबर 1 कि चिट्स क्या होगी. ठीक है? Now देखो. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट जो चिट्स रहेंगी वो तब यूज होंगी. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि इन द फर्स्ट एक स्पीच के बाद से अबाउट 5 to 6 people want to ask questions, but you know I can take only one question after every speech. So जो remaining 4-5 speakers रह गए हैं, ठीक है, what will they do? All right, so they can send their questions via chats. Okay. Now remember there will be a limit on the chits so that no one sends unlimited chits. Right? So there will be a limit which will be imposed on the chits and you have to abide by it. Okay. There will be limit on the POI chits, the questions which you ask. However, I am not imposing any kind of limit on reply chits. This is because of the reason we never know how many questions are we going to receive. I might receive even 50 questions. So, and someone might receive only 5 questions. Okay. So, there is no such limit on replies. But so as to avoid any kind of conflicts, okay, he got 50 questions and I got only 5. So he will get more marks. So as to avoid such conflicts, we will average the score of the reply chits. However, there will be an upper cap on the POI chits. Okay. However, and there will be no substantive chits in the committee. Okay. We have ample floor time, make use of it. So chits will have a specific format. Okay. Once I'm done with this session, maybe by tonight or so, I will share a document in your WhatsApp group, okay, which will contain all these rules of procedure, including the format of the chits and everything. So abide by the format so that we can have a fruitful discussion. Okay. Any questions till now?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
We put allegations over other countries and delegates in UN committee. So the same happens in Niti Aayog too?
No, that would happen in Lok Sabha, that would happen in AIPPN. Niti Aayog is more of a planning body. So herein you talk very constructively. You can criticize others, of course, that's fine. But here you give concrete plans that okay, this should be done, so that we have a clear strategy ahead of us.
All right, thank you, sir.
Any more questions? ठीक है. That being said, last phase पे आता हूँ मैं. The last phase is the privileges which are available to all of you. The privileges are the same like we apply in the UN committees. The 4 points. Okay. The first point being the point of personal privilege. The point of personal privilege would be taken whenever, say, someone is not audible, someone is not clear, or someone wants someone to repeat a particular point. Okay. So किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही, कोई क्लैरिटी इशू है, ठीक है, और you missed out on a particular part of the speech, so you can make the other person repeat that point. Okay, but it's a humble request that please be attentive. Okay, that's the first point. Second point is with respect to the point of inquiry. Any question with respect to the rules and procedures or the conduct of the committee which you want to ask from the executive board is called as a point of inquiry. Any doubts with respect to the rules of procedure or whatever is going on in the committee, you can ask that. Okay. But of course, no substantive doubts. Number three, we can have a point of order. A point of order will be taken on a factual error. So if someone in his or her speech misquotes a particular fact, someone states that, okay, uh, this is the thing, and the other person catches that, okay, no, that is not the correct thing. This is the correct thing. Okay. So that is the point of order. We will be taking points of order in writing and not verbally. Okay. That shall also have a particular format, and I will share the format in the very document I will share after the training session. Okay. And lastly, we have point of information. The point of information is basically a question which I have already explained after the speech. Okay. This is with respect to the whole and soul rules of procedure which we are going to follow on Sunday when we meet. Now, do I have any kind of questions?
So you
So,
told like if I want a particular point of the speech to get repeated by the speaker, so how am I gonna convey it to the speaker?
So after I'm done with the speech, after one person is done, I will ask that, okay, are there any points on the floor? You will raise your hand, okay, and you will say that, okay, I have a point of personal privilege. I'll say, okay, tell me what's your point of personal privilege. You will say that, okay, sir, I want this person to repeat the point where he stated this. You'll give the context, or you'll give a few words. The other person will repeat the whole line or the whole phrase. Okay.
Okay, so like if a speaker is done with the speech, then you will ask, are there any points on the floor? And
देखो,
the same,
I will ask for points. Okay. Now those points could be inquiry, those points could be order, those points could be anything. ठीक है. Order तो नहीं होगा because order we are taking in writing. Um, I will essentially be taking information. However, before information, if you have point of personal privilege, just unmute yourself and say, sir, I have a personal privilege first. ठीक है. That's the way we can do.
okay. So can you please again elucidate that point of order?
Okay. Point of order essentially will be taken on factual errors. Say, for example, someone says that, say, Mr. As we know that Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav is the Chief Minister of Bihar. Okay, that's a statement someone makes. Okay, now the other person knows that, okay, this is not the correct fact. So the other person will follow the format of point of order, will send the point of order in writing. He will quote that, okay, he stated that Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav is the CM of Bihar, and then he will write the correct one that, okay, no, Mr. Nitish Kumar is the CM of Bihar. Okay. So whenever someone
Thank you.
misquotes a particular fact. Okay. Anyone else having any kind of doubts?
Sir, what happens if a person has exhausted his or her speaking time in the opening statements or moderated caucus speeches?
Right. There is no moderated focus over here. Just remember there are those discussion sessions. Okay. So I will notify you at the end of your time that, okay, you are done with your time. ठीक है. 60 हो गया, 90 हो गया. ठीक है. से अगर आपने 60 से जस्ट पहले एक पॉइंट शुरू किया था, तो जब तक आप वो पॉइंट खत्म करोगे, I will listen to your speech. ठीक है. And after that, I will mark you and drop my pen. However, I will not stop you from speaking. You can go on to speak, but I will not mark you for that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions? Anyone? कुछ भी पूछना है तो
So
पूछ
what?
लो.
So what was the name of that point which you spoke first? There were 4 points, right? You told
Point
them.
of personal privilege, point of inquiry, point of order, point of information.
Okay, personal privilege. Hold on.
ठीक है. Any more doubts or difficulties? Anyone?
So if I don't wanna talk on a specific agenda, then will it matter?
Um, you know, if the committee is discussing a particular sub agenda and you are not talking about it, you will not be marked for it, which will affect the eventual marking, right? Because again, you will lose out on a substantive speech,
Okay, so thank you.
right? But I'll not compel you to speak. That is, I'm just suggesting that you decide the sub agendas prior to it. Okay, so that you can formulate your speeches पहले से. ठीक है. Any more questions, anyone?
So I have a question. Are we marked on our chits, like how we send them and stuff?
You are marked on your chits. Say for example, I impose a limit of 10 chits of the POI. You send the 10 chits, I will mark each and every chit. Don't worry about
Okay,
that.
sir. Okay, thank you.
Sir, will the marking be done on the basis of the number of chits or the type of question that we are asking?
Qualitative marking. Say if you
Okay,
send
we
10
have
chits,
quality.
if you send 10 chits, I am marking every chit out of 2. Okay, so your eventual chit marking will be out of 20. Okay, now someone might send 10 chits and the chits might not be of that good a quality. I might give say a 0.5 on every chit. Okay, 0.5 into 20, uh, that gives me about 10 marks.
Then
Okay, right? So in the similar manner, on other chits, say I'm giving about, sorry, 0.5 into 10 होगा ना, क्योंकि I'm sending 10 chits. So
yeah,
again
5 marks.
5 marks हो गए. And on the other hand, किसी ने सिर्फ 5 chits भेजी, but the 5 chits are brilliant. So I give him 5, and then ranking में फर्क आ गया last में. ठीक है? So if I'm giving you a limit, exhaust the limit at least.
Okay, sir.
Any more questions, anyone? Am I clear with
And
every
sir, I wanted to know, like, when can we send the chits after the speech is completed or like?
essentially देखो chits का concept क्या होता है, if you are not being recognized for a particular question, right? Now for example, x person has delivered a speech, y person ने अभी तक speech नहीं दी है, and after x person finishes his speech, you send a question for y person. Right? Now believe that executive board is smart enough to catch कि हाँ, he has framed this chit already. ओके, अगर आपने चिट पहले से ही बता रखे तो पता चल जाएगा, क्योंकि वाई ने तो अभी तक स्पीच ही नहीं दी है. ठीक है, so as and when the person is done speaking, you can send the questions for him. Okay, and we will use your WhatsApp group for the chess communication. ठीक है.
Okay, so the person who has, like, we can frame the chits for the person who has finished speaking or the one who will be speaking next to him or her.
Who has spoken, you will ask the question to him only ना, तभी तो you ask a point of information,
No,
right?
sir, you told now about that they have framed the chits for person Y as well, who will speak after X.
हाँ, अगर हाँ उसके बाद भेज लो, when once the person is done speaking, then send it across.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, do we have substantive chits here?
No, I'm giving the ample floor time, so you don't need substantive chits over here. Okay.
All right, thank you, sir.
Sir, in what type of format do we have to write the chits?
I'll share a document which will have every format listed.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any more questions? Done, everyone? ठीक है. If that is the case, then I'm done with the session. Just I'm opening the group right after this. Aditya, yes, you can. I'm opening